If you need to scan a QR code using Chrome, this is a super quick method that works on both desktop and laptop. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to scan a Chrome QR code by using Google Lens inside Chrome, so you can open the link hidden in the QR code in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, your desktop, or from your app menu if you're on Windows or Mac. Once Chrome is open, go to images.google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to Google Images, where we can use Google Lens to scan the QR code. Now, look at the search bar area. You should see the Google Lens icon, which looks like a small camera. Click that icon to open the Lens tool. This is the feature that allows Chrome to analyze an image and find useful information from it, including the link inside a QR code. Next, you'll want to upload the QR code image. If the QR code is saved on your device, click to upload it from your files. If you already have a screenshot or a downloaded image, select that file and open it. Once the image loads, Google Lens will automatically scan it and detect the QR code. After a moment, Chrome should identify the destination link and show you the result on the screen. In most cases, it will display the website or action connected to the QR code. From there, you can click the detected link to open it directly in Chrome. This is a really easy way to scan QR codes without needing a phone, and it's especially helpful if you receive QR codes in emails, on websites, or in downloaded images. Instead of switching devices, you can just use Chrome and Google Lens to get the result instantly. If the QR code doesn't scan right away, make sure the image is clear and not blurry. A clean, high-quality image usually gives the best results. You can also try cropping the image so the QR code fills more of the screen, which sometimes helps Chrome detect it faster. And that's it. You now know how to scan a QR code in Chrome using Google Lens. It only takes a few clicks, and once you know where to find the Lens icon, the process is very simple. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.